Hey you guys, I'm back with another video, and today we're going to be doing my updated morning routine, hygiene, oral, and skincare. So if that is something that interests you, make sure you keep on watching and stick around. All right, so the first thing I like to do when I first get up in the morning is rinse my mouth out. I know that may be backwards to some, but I'm using my mouthwash, just some regular mouthwash, and rinsing my mouth out before I brush my teeth there. I try to do this a good minute or so. Yeah, I know when you wake up in the morning, honey, that breath is not all the way cute. Oh my goodness. So once I get done with rinsing my mouth out, I go in with my toothpaste. I've been using this Tom activated charcoal. It's for whitening because I'm trying to whiten my teeth, and I like it for the most part. It's fluoride free, so I like this so far. So I'll keep you guys posted. But I've been using it now for about a month now, so I kind of like it. But I will warn you: make sure you clean your sink afterwards because it will stain. It will leave a black residue in your sink. So make sure you do that. But yeah, it just makes you look like you don't have any good teeth in your mouth when you're using it. But otherwise, I like it. It's not too harsh or too bad or anything like that. So that's usually what I do here. And whatever you do, please do not forget to brush your tongue because I'm telling you, that tongue is where the majority of your odor and breath, not so freshness come from. I do have a tongue scraper. I'm going to use that as well, but I still always like to use my toothbrush as well. And now I'm going to floss because if you have tight teeth like me, you have to use that thin floss because otherwise you have stuff stuck in your mouth. And Lord, when I tell you, it irritates the heck out of me if I can't get some food out of my teeth. So yeah, I have to floss. And now I'm gonna go in with my tongue scraper and scrape some more just to make sure I got everything fresh and ready for the day to get my day started. And then I just rinse one last time before I go on to my skincare. A lot of you guys have been asking me about my skincare. Y'all, it is really simple. I don't have 50 million steps. I don't have time for that. But anyway, now I'm going to go ahead and get started with my, can y'all just say my head is itching? But I'm going to go in with my Keys facial cleanser and go ahead and wash that. I like to take my time and go in and wash my face for a good minute or so and make sure you get behind them ears, you guys. But I like this cleanser so far. It's not harsh or anything. I will leave the links to all the products I used today in the description box, so no worries. And then I'm just going to go ahead and dry my face off, just dampen it. Patting it dry. I don't try to be too harsh with it, but yeah. Something about when my skin is clean. And then I'm going to go on with my next step. I didn't show you on this part, but I did put some toner on my thing, and I'm gonna go ahead and tone my skin. Like I said, I'm using up the toner that I bought from Marshall's. I don't like it, but y'all know I don't waste my money, so I'm gonna finish using it up. And then make sure you get behind your ears, you guys, and inside of your ears, because overnight you sweat. You sweat in places you tend to not even think about, but make sure you get your ears and behind your ears, you guys. And then once I'm done toning, then I go in with my moisturizer. Well, first I do my ears. Jumped ahead of myself, but yeah, I clean my ears out still with Q-tips. I know some people say you're not supposed to do that, but I just have to go that extra mile to make sure my ear is clean on the inside, because y'all know earwax does not smell the best. But yeah, I go ahead and finish that, and then I go in with my eye cream, and it's by Elf. It's really inexpensive, you guys. I've been using this for months now. I don't know how long, can't remember, but I like it. And a little bit goes a long ways, you guys. And I just put that right up under my eye, because I notice my eye tend to get a little dark puffiness up under there sometimes. And then once I'm done with that, I go ahead and go in with my Holy Grail, which is the Pond's. Like I said, I'll probably be having this for years to come, because a little bit goes a long ways. And I just moisturize my skin. Nothing too fancy, you guys. I told you I don't have time for 50 million steps. I like to keep it as simple as possible, easy as possible, because my day is very busy. And yeah, so that's what I do there. And now I'm going in with my vitamin C serum and collagen. I love this stuff, you guys. A lot of you guys be asking what I be using to have that glow. That is what I be using. And it keeps my skin super moisturized and hydrated. Very cute, simple, nothing too fancy. And then I'm just going to go in with my lip balm, because that's what I had in the bathroom, because my other lip balm is in the office. But yeah, I'm going to put on some of this and go ahead and get my day started, you guys. I'm wishing you guys all an amazing day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All right, you guys, that is it for my morning routine. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Remember to hit that subscribe button if you're not already a part of the Sunny Squad. Make sure you leave me a comment below this video. Let me know if you like these types of videos. Like this video, you guys. Let YouTube know that it is okay to push this video out, because you guys love these types of videos. I love you guys. Remember, you are absolutely enough. And we're going to sprinkle a little sunshine everywhere we go. Love you guys. Mwah.